Interior, define review. Pros: extensive customization. Interior Define excels at offering a wide range of fabrics, colors, leg styles, sizes, and configurations. You can truly design a sofa that matches your unique taste and space. Mid-range pricing. Their price points strike a balance between affordability and quality, making them a good option for design-conscious shoppers on a budget. Showroom experience, if available. If you live near one of their showrooms, you can test out sofas in person and get design help. Quality materials. Many reviews cite sturdy construction and comfortable cushions. Cons: long lead times. As sofas are made to order, wait times can be significant, often several weeks. Mixed reviews on long-term durability. Some customers report their sofa holding up for years, while others mention issues like sagging cushions or fabric pilling after extended use. No returns. Their policy is final sale, so make absolutely sure before ordering. Spotty customer service. Some customers praise helpful staff, while others describe frustrating experiences with delays or unresponsiveness. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.